Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency servicing clients across the globe for the last 15 plus years. Today we are excited to share a case study on how we have helped a luxury kitchen showroom in the UK launch a brand new Google AdWords account from scratch and generate high quality leads within a short period. This client reached out to us after watching our YouTube videos, eager to start advertising but had no previous experience with the Google AdWords, no account and no historical data. Their primary goal was to get high intent leads for their kitchen design consultations while keeping the costs efficient. Since they had no prior advertising setup, our first step was to create a brand new Google AdWords account, ensuring it was properly structured for the optimal performance. Alongside this, we have also set up the Google Tag Manager and also the Google Analytics to track the user behavior, conversions and the campaign effectiveness. Setting up the tracking correctly was crucial because without proper data, it would have been impossible to measure the success or making the informed decisions. Once the foundation was in place, we have moved on to the extensive keyword research and the campaign creation. Given the premium nature of the business, we have focused on high intent keywords such as the luxury kitchens UK, bespoke kitchen design and the German kitchen showroom near me. To ensure our ads were only showing for the most relevant searches, we have used the phrase match and the exact match keywords, avoiding the broad matches to prevent the wasted ad spend on irrelevant search terms. Additionally, we have built a strong negative keyword list to filter out the low quality traffic and the non-converting search terms. Next, we have crafted the compelling ads that highlighted their premium craftsmanship, bespoke designs and expert consultation services. The goal was to attract the high income individuals actively searching for a luxury kitchen solution. To enhance our ad visibility, we have implemented the site link extension, driving the users to key pages like the book a free consultation and also view designs, and added the phone call extension, making it easier for potential customer to get in touch directly from the search results. Once the campaign was live, we have entered the testing and the optimization phase. We have continuously analyzed the campaign performance and tested different bidding strategy to determine which approach yielded the best CPC and the cost per conversion. We also closely monitor the demographics and the audience insights, adjusting our targeting to focus on users who were more likely to convert. By refining the audience segments, optimizing the ad placement and also tweaking the bid strategies, we were able to reduce the CPC while improving the conversion rates, ensuring that the client's budget was being spent efficiently. The results were impressive. Within just 2 months, website traffic increased by 300% and our Google AdWords campaign generated 123 leads at the CPA of only £13.23. Through the ongoing testing and the strategic adjustments, we have optimized the cost per lead and significantly improved the overall count performance. Starting from scratch with the Google AdWords can be challenging, but with the right structure, tracking and the ongoing optimization, we have turned this new account into a lead generating machine. If you are launching the Google AdWords for the first time and need the expert guidance to maximize your budget and the results, contact Softtrix via our website or WhatsApp for a free audit. You can share your account details, website and the budget with us, and then we will be able to do the detailed audit report that will demonstrate how to increase sales. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.